How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to add your name to your iPhone lock screen. As you can see right here, you can add your name right here on your widget roll, or also right down here down below. You can choose if you want it on both or just one or the other. So let's go ahead and let me teach you. Okay guys, so there are actually two different methods. Number one, if you want to add your name right down below, and the second one, if you want to add them right here on your widgets as I just showed you. So let's start off adding down below. All you have to do really is pull down on your control center, tap here on your focus modes, tap and hold, and then add focus, as you can see right there. So you're gonna add a custom focus, as you can see, and then you're gonna type in your name. So I'm gonna type in my name. As you can see, you go ahead and tap yours, or maybe the name of your company, you choose it, right? Then choose the color. I'm gonna go with red, and then I'm gonna choose the icon, and that icon will appear right next to your name. So I'm gonna use this icon right here. So there we go, we have our focus. Let's go ahead and tap on next, tap on customize focus, and as you probably know, the focus modes are actually made to manage your notifications, but we're not using it for that in this specific use, right? So you don't need to choose anything right here. You don't need to manage anything, because the whole point of this focus we are creating is to just display a name and not really change any of your notifications. If you want to really understand how focus modes works, I do recommend that you tap right here on this card, link in the description, and I'll show you a full dedicated video if you want to understand focus, right? But for this use, don't change nothing. Right here is everything we need. So all you have to do is come back. We have our focus right here. You can exit your settings, pull down on the control center, tap and hold on your focus, and then tap on your name, and then you're good to go. You can go ahead and lock your iPhone screen, and as you can see right here, Daniel, that's my name right there. As soon as the focus is enabled, it'll show up right here, and you can leave it on forever if you want to. Okay, now the second method, if you want to add your name right here next to your widgets, let's go. All you have to do is open up the App Store this time, and then go to search, and then on the search bar you go for any text, and there we go, any text widgets right here. And you may see some ads, but that's the application that you want to. I'm gonna have on the screen the name, the information of the app, and of course a direct link in the description, so you can go ahead, tap there, and you open up this page. So then there will be no confusions with the app, and you know you're getting the correct app, right? So download it. Of course, it's a fully free app, completely free. Let it download and install, then tap on open, and then tap on get started, and just like that, you can already type your name. It's super simple, and that's how it works. So tap your name right here. Of course, if you want to, you can put emoji, anything you want. Tap on done, okay, and then we're done. You don't need anything else. You can go ahead and exit, go to your lock screen once again, and then tap on it. You're gonna make sure to unlock with Face ID, tap and hold, then customize lock screen, tap here on this field, and then scroll down just a bit until you see any text. Tap on it, and then it's gonna show you a few different options. So a small square or a larger one. I'm gonna go with this one, and then that's perfect. We're done. We have added the widget. You can tap on done, and you're good to go. As you can see right here, we have my name here, and of course you can choose how you want your name displayed. If you don't want it at the bottom, tap here, it's gone, it's not there anymore. And same thing with the widget. You can go ahead, use your face, tap and hold, customize, lock screen, tap here, and if you want it gone, just go ahead and remove it, and then that's it. That's how you manage, and that's how you can actually add your name on your iPhone lock screen the easy way. Completely free, completely customizable. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one as usual. Bye bye guys.